Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my entire apartment and give you a tour. And guys, this year I didn't want to spend too much money. As a matter of fact, I didn't want to spend money at all. So I decided to use everything that I already have to make my apartment look very beautiful for this Christmas season. Guys, if you're somebody like me that loves to decorate, as I mentioned in my previous video, make sure to shop your home. You may have more than you think if you want to decorate your home on a budget. As you can see, this tree, I have it for 4 years now. It was sitting in my garage, so I decided to use it this year for this Christmas season. And guys, this tree is very beautiful, and as you can see, I paid a lot of money for it back then. And guys, my son is helping me because I didn't want to I have a cold and I didn't want to deal with the flock and all the dust, so my son was volunteered to help me put the tree up this year. Thank you so much, Angel, for helping me. And I really like how the tree turns out. I always keep my tree neutral, not only because that's what I like, and secondly, if I'm doing a tablescape, the color, if I try to use other colors, so the color doesn't interfere with my tablescape or anything. And guys, this video is in collaboration. This is a crystal chandelier made by 7 p.m. They reached out to me for a video collaboration. Guys, I can tell you this light is very pretty and it's not expensive for the amount of lights and the size. It has 8 lights. And guys, when I'm making my videos, I always make sure that I have good lighting. Good lighting is a priority. So for me to be able to get it all in one, it's a big thing. And even you're not making videos, guys, you always want, when you eating and the lighting is on point, make your home look very beautiful. As you can see, the base. And guys, I didn't install it, but you will need help installing it. Even if you're doing it yourself, you're still gonna need somebody else to hold it in place, because it's not like a 1, 2, 3 install, because it's the size. You will need somebody to help you with it, or pay a professional to just install it for you. The link of everything will be in the description box down below. If this light interests you, you may check it out. And guys, this is the crystal bead that comes with it. It comes with 1, 2, 3, and 4 packs. So it's a pattern. You just have to follow the instruction so you can put them together. You know guys, whenever you're dealing with a crystal chandelier, this is the one that the most consuming part, but at the end it will worth all the effort. And the thing that I like about it too, they sent with gloves, so you don't have to touch the crystal, because fingerprint can make your crystal very ugly. So able to have the glove in the package is a good thing. This is the place that I will move my old chandelier to add this one. And yes, like I said before, you will need 2 person, one to hold the base for you and the other one doing the installation. So that's how the process went for me. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you like anything in the video, make sure to check the box down below. I place it high just because of my family need, so you don't have to put it that high. I have a special needs son that love to touch things, and it is the same height as me, so I put it like this just for my family need. But you can always put it way down. It's not one size fit all, so I always say it's whatever work for you, whatever fit your family need. But me, that's what worked for me, so I'll do it this way. And guys, you will need this light bulb. If you decide to buy it, this light bulb doesn't come with it, it's separate. I'm going to finish up with the lighting, guys. This is the finished look. Let me know down below, what do you think, guys? Once again, if you miss my intro decor, so that's the way you're going to see the apartment. It's very nice, remember, this is on how to maximize a small space. Guys, I really love how everything turns out. So if you have a small place, don't be despair, because we can make it work. I really love how it turns out. So what do you think? Just let me know down below. Even if you don't like it, I just want to hear from you guys. I wanted to go with the black wog this year. I always use white, but this year I want to change it up, spice it up with a little black. And yeah, I think it's very beautiful. What do you think? And even on under my tree, I'll get some black gift wrap to just add to my Christmas tree. And the night part, it's very beautiful, guys. I love it. It's not fully black dark yet outside, but as you can see, it's beautiful. I love it. It's so welcoming, guys. And once you step in until you step out, this little apartment is small, but it's a wow, you guys. I really love how it turns out. So imagine, I didn't just do nothing, just it's all the things that I have in the house, so I just reuse them and place them different places, so make the home look gorgeous. So you see, at night I can watch my TV and then just very relaxing, and I love it so much, guys. It's super cozy and beautiful. Yes, it's very nice, guys. You can have your home look very luxuriously expensive without spending too much money. As you can see, my gift box under the tree. I'm so ready for Christmas. And guys, the tree, my son did a super good job. And it's not the best, but I didn't want to deal with all the flocking, because as you can hear my voice, I've been like that for days, I mean weeks. Just each time this cold gun air come back again, so I've been doing too much. So I just want to take a break from the dust, from the flock and everything, guys. As you can see, everything turns out very, very beautiful. So guys, make sure to leave me a comment down below.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put
for my dining area, guys. As you can see, very beautiful. I add little black on everything, not too much, just a little, to just bring out the black to my home. And as you can see, guys, I changed the table because I needed something very smaller, just to give my tree more room. It's another way, guys, if you want to maximize a small space, go with smaller furniture. So to be honest, this apartment look very nice. As you can see,
Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment, to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything to be perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July.
here a closer look of the light when everything, all the beads are in place. Very nice. And guys, this is my dining area. Like I said, everything that I use in this video, I already have them home. Yes, guys, if you want your home to look nice, so you need to just invest in some good storage containers so you can store your things, so you don't keep buying. And this is the kitchen area, guys. I really love how I transformed the kitchen. Like I said, it's very small, but guys, once you don't have the size, you can make whatever you have very welcoming. The night pot is so wow, so I love it. And guys, like I said, very, very nice. You can turn your apartment, whatever size you have, into a home. And it's always good, guys, to have a place once you're on the street to call home. When you come in, regardless of the size, you're comfortable in. So it's that whatever people say is how you feel, how make you comfortable. So I really love how everything turns out. The fireplace is so beautiful. The link will be in the description box down below. Feel free to check it out.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance.
In the kitchen, I leave the ice maker just for easy access. And when I'm serving dinner or anything,
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh.
and guys, that's from the entrance to the back of the apartment, guys. It's really nice. It's really nice. I really like it. The light is popping.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree, and I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you.
I don't use too much thing on my coffee table, and I really like how it turns out. You know, I love my coffee designer book on my table. In my tablescape, everything turns out very nice. So guys, yes, let me know down below, what do you think? If that's a look you will recreate in your home. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I just want to let you know guys, for this holiday season, whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are a very big part of it, and thank you so much for all you do. And I want to say happy holiday to you, from my family to yours. Thank you so much. I'll see you on my next time. Bye.